BMW R 1250 GS best motorcycles. With the big shows and public premieres cancelled due to the pandemic last year, motorcycle manufacturers have had even more time to design, improve and manufacture the best new bikes in 2022. Freedom and adventure will be greater than ever. What better way to celebrate the thrill of life than with a new bike? Of course, there's a lot to consider before investing in one of the brand new high-end 2022 bikes. That's why we've compiled this list to help you decide which bike is best for you in 2022. But first, let's delve into the reasons why 2022 is the perfect year to buy one of the top 10 bikes. More power than need for speed, and hence smooth and efficient acceleration, is a common reason why it is worth investing in a more powerful new motorcycle. The newest and greatest bikes of 2022 have solid power, impressive torque specifications and larger engines for top speeds, no matter what type of road you're riding. Improved design. Let's be honest, style is an important factor in choosing the best motorcycle. Whether you prefer a sturdy, powerful adventure bike or a sportier rider, and whether you've been riding the track for a while or just starting out, 2022 has some sleek new designs for you. New technology. In addition to increased top speeds and engine capacities, the top motorcycles of 2022 are also equipped with high-end electronic systems, rider assistance and advanced safety features that cannot be overestimated given the brute force of today's most spectacular two-wheelers. More comfort. The enhanced technological features of the new 2022 motorcycles not only improve your safety while riding and racing, but are also designed for greater comfort and convenience. With radar, blind spot monitoring, Bluetooth connectivity and more, the latest features ensure the most relaxed and comfortable driving experience. More economical. Over the past decade, both motorcyclists and non-riders have become increasingly environmentally conscious and manufacturers are responding to demand. With improved engines, fuel consumption is at its highest ever, while emissions are reaching a new low and electric motorbikes are rising and coming. In the long run, buying one of the top 10 bikes in 2022 can be a relief for the environment and your wallet. What are the best motorcycles? Now that you are up to date with the improvements, types and criteria for the best bike of the year, it's time to pick your new bike. Without further ado, we are going to introduce you to the best of the best bikes. 2022 BMW R 1250 GS Style. Adventure bike. Engine type: air, liquid-cooled, flat twin boxer, DOHC, 4 VPC displacement, 1254 cc bore x stroke, 102.5 mm by 76 mm max horsepower, 136 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute max torque, 105 pound-feet at 6,250 revolutions per minute weight, 529 pounds, 249 kilograms MSRP, $17,995. The 2021 BMW R 1250 GS with its large displacement boxer engine common to many of the German motor vehicle giants bikes offers cutting-edge performance on and off-road alike. Its low emission, reduced fuel consumption and available eco-driving mode make it as economical as possible. The 2022 BMW R 1250 GS comes with new color schemes and a different set of riding modes. Application. 2022 is an exciting year for new bikes. From innovative designs and more power than ever for sports bikes, to adventure bikes inspired by the Paris-Dakar nostalgia, to a bold new step by Harley-Davidson entering the ADV world with its brand new aggressive machine, this could be the best year to buy a new bike. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, sheer power or off-road capability, there's something for everyone, and if you're eco-ready, there's a whole range of e-bikes on offer as well. Whichever new bike you choose, Monomoto wishes you many happy miles.